For conventional shaped handbrakes, there are two options of Handbrake Easy Release, standard or inline. Most vehicles with a conventional style handbrake can have either option, but there are some restrictions due to space around the handbrake on certain models. To check availability, please contact us or your installer directly. The Jeff Gosling Handbrake Easy Release is designed for drivers with limited hand function. The adaptation reduces the amount of grip required and eliminates the need to depress the button with your thumb. It allows the user to engage the button without articulation of the thumb, and the increased mechanical advantage reduces the force required to depress the button. The Handbrake Easy Release can also benefit users who find it difficult to grasp and pull a conventional handbrake. Using a standard Handbrake Easy Release, to release the handbrake, simply pull backwards on the handle to depress the button and let the handbrake drop down. To engage the handbrake, place your palm under the handle and pull upwards. Using an inline Handbrake Easy Release, to release the handbrake, simply push down on the end of the handle to depress the button and let the handbrake drop down. To engage the handbrake, place your palm under the handle and pull upwards. Some vehicles have a foot-operated pedal to release the parking brake instead of a conventional handbrake lever. This adaptation enables drivers who are unable to use their foot to release the parking brake to do so by hand. The hand-operated parking brake lever is attached to the pedal and is simply pushed down by hand to engage or disengage the parking brake. Some models of vehicle have unique handbrake designs. In some instances, we can adapt these handbrakes. With a Handbrake Easy Release, we have specifically designed for the vehicle. Where possible, if you have difficulties operating the handbrake, we recommend that you consider choosing a vehicle that comes with an electric handbrake as standard.